Good morning, this Tuesday the 8th of November. I'm Sophia Mavridis, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, US equities had a positive run overnight ahead of the US midterm elections, as well as key inflation data on deck over the next few days. Now, tonight the midterm election will determine which party will control Congress, which currently the House is controlled by Democrats. And on the economic data front, investors are waiting on the Consumer Price Index report out on Thursday. Now, stocks hit session highs in afternoon trade. The Dow Jones gained more than 400 points or 1.48%. The S&P 500 gained 1.1% and the Nasdaq closed 1% higher. And in Europe, the STOXX600 closed 0.3% higher. German's DAX closed 0.6% higher. The French CAC down 0.5%. And in the UK, the FTSE100 gained 0.9%. So following the strong sessions in overseas markets, the Australian market is set to rise 0.6% at the open this morning if you're going by the SPY futures. Now watch the share price movements of James Hardie Industries, JHX, and SSR Mining as both companies are set to release a quarterly report today. And you may also want to keep tabs on companies holding their AGMs today. These include Bendigo and Adelaide Bank, BEN, Ingham's Group, ING, Sims, SGM, and Lottery Corporation, TLC. And in commodities, oil is hovering at levels last seen in August as investors weigh tight supply against a negative outlook for demand. The gold price is now steady following a 3% rally to 4-week highs that we saw in the previous session as government officials backed rumours of China's reopening. And iron ore has jumped 4.7% higher, rebounding from the 3-year low that it hit at $81.50 on the 1st of November. So iron ore is now trading at $89 amid hopes that China will transition away from its zero COVID policy. So watch iron ore miners today like Champion Iron, CIA, BHP, Rio, Fortescue, or Mineral Resources, MIN. And in economic data today at 10:30 a.m. Australian Eastern Daylight Time, Westpac will release its data on consumer confidence for November, and NAB will release its data on business confidence for October. And to end on some trading ideas, Bell Potter maintain a buy rating on United Malt Group, UMG, and have lowered their price target to $3.90. At its current share price of $3.10, this implies 25.8% share price growth in a year. And Bell Potter also maintain a buy rating on EROAD, ERD, with a lowered price target of $2.50. At its current share price of $1.20, this implies more than 100% share price growth in a year. And that's all for this morning. I'm Sophia Mavridis with Bell Direct. Have a great day and happy trading.